Pisces, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin what are the energies coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayon, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services pag nag-book kayo ngayong November 2024. Yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Pisces, next 7 days. What's coming to you? Pisces, next 7 days. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, may pagbabago pagdating sa pwedeng sa trabaho, no? Yung iba lilipat ng work or madidestino sa ibang lugar. Yung iba naman matatransfer sa ibang department. So, some major changes, no, sa iyong trabaho, sa career path mo, or even sa iyong business. I also see you na partnering with isang kamag-anak or family member. Let's say, magtatayo kayo ng business together, ng kapatid mo, ng nanay mo, ng tatay mo, no? Someone who is within your family or yung partner mo. Maaring you are going to start a new business together. I also see some travel opportunities for you. But sa ngayon kasi medyo, kumbaga pag lahat ng mga plans ninyo, ginagawa nyo yan ng tahimik lang. So, mas low-key kayo ngayon. You are just focused on yung mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin na hindi na kailangang i-announce sa ibang tao or ipaalam sa iba. Kasi gusto nyo, ma-accomplish nyo yon ng tahimik lang. Okay? There's also a lot of happiness within your family. You might be traveling with your family or having vacation together. Maaring merong reunion. Meron din ditong I see marriage, no? So pwedeng ikaw yung ikakasal, kapatid mo or family member, or there's a major event within the family na kung saan magkikita-kita kayo together. Can be a reunion or yun nga may kasalan or may binyagan, like a major event within the family. I also see na kung may trabaho ka ngayon, maaring merong opportunity for you na ma-promote, magkaroon ng responsibilities or leadership role sa iyong work. So, possible na yung iba sa inyo, may promotion or magiging OIC kayo. Ayan. And if you have a business, may mga bago kang ideas for your business na pwede kasing some of you feel na parang stuck yung business mo na parang hindi siya ganun ka masyadong nag-grow. But I think you will do mga pakulo sa business mo, or pwedeng magdadagdag ka ng bagong product, services, or another source of income for some of you. So let us clarify. What is the Queen of Pentacles? You have the Two of Swords, so decision making for some of you. Pwede kasi may dalawang option ka ngayon. Kung ano yung pipiliin mo, let's say sa trabaho, may dalawang opportunities na pwedeng ma-promote ka, sa pipiliin mo doon kung alin ang mas okay. Let's see, what is the Six of Swords? Nine of Swords. So, yung iba sa inyo, itong change na gagawin nyo, pwedeng matagal nyo ng pinag-isipan. It may be causing you some stress dahil parang yung iba nagpo-procrastinate, nag-overthink. But ngayon, finally, you will take action. You will do it. What is the High Priestess? The Page of Cups. Yung iba may mga bago kayong learnings, may mga bagong pagkakataon na mag-acquire ng knowledge, mag-aral, mag-research. Para sa ikabubuti ng inyong situation ngayon. Yung iba, meron kayong secret admirer, okay? Iba naman, pwedeng secretly meron kayong nagugustuhan or parang crushing over someone, may crush kayo sa isang tao. But it's just secret. Two of, may kasalan talaga. Four of Wands. Or meron kayong major celebration within the family. Pagsasalo-salo ng pamilya para i-celebrate ang isang achievement or isang event na magaganap. You have Judgment. So, this is rebirth, change. Some of you, maaring kung meron kayong kamag-anak or mahal sa buhay na nagkaroon kayo ng falling out, nagkaroon ng problema, maaring in the next 7 days, magkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap at pag-aayos. So, I see you, may isa-settle kayo na issue, problema sa family. Let's see what else. Breathe. Ayan. So, some of you, mas gusto nyo talaga ngayon ng tahimik na buhay. Umiiwas kayo ngayon sa stress. Umiiwas kayo sa mga bagay na magbibigay lang sa inyo ng kaguluhan ng isip. And for some of you, pwedeng you are doing some meditation exercises, yoga, para mas, mas feeling good about yourself, about your health. So, yung iba sa inyo, nagpo-focus sa inyong kalusugan. Pinagtutuunan nyo na ng pansin ang inyong kalusugan ngayon. Mas yung iba, you are living healthier. Yung mga unhealthy habits ninyo, nililet go nyo na. You have Mars in Mars in Libra in the 7th house. So, relationship, connections. Mars is about aggression. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding with someone. Can be a romantic partner or a family member. Pero I think, maayos nyo rin to kasi may mga mag-uusap Yun yung importante. You will be able to talk. You have Mercury and Libra in the 7th house. Influence. Maari kasing maraming nakikisawsaw, nakikialam sa relationship ninyo or sa situation. So, just make sure na kung kayo ay tatanggap ng mga advice sa iba, alam nyo na for the better, no? Kasi yung iba, meron mga nakikisawsaw lang, nakikigulo lang, dahil meron silang ibang motibo para masira ang isang relationship. So, iwas na lang sa ganon. Kung sino yung hahayaan niya na makakapag-impluwensya sa inyo. So, sa money, career, finances, you are going to be more objective, no? Sa iyong mga goals sa buhay. Kumbaga, isusulat mo kung ano yung mga goals mo. And then, moving forward, titingnan mo, imo-monitor mo kung naaabot mo na ba siya. Ano na yung estado nun. Yes, you're also going to treat yourself. Yes, may mga pagkakataon kasi na nasusubsob sa trabaho. Doon lang nakafocus. So, this time, you are also going to take care of your health. Okay? So, yung iba may travel opportunities sa trabaho. Pwede ikaw ay magta-travel sa ibang lugar kasi doon ka madidestino. Yung iba may pagkakataon na makapagtrabaho abroad. Yung iba, you're going to do business with pleasure. 'Di ba? Yung iba ganun, pinagsasabay nila kasi syempre once in a lifetime rin yung mga opportunities na makapag-abroad, tapos isasabay na rin yung pagbabakasyon. Sa relationship, meron ditong regretful of their actions. Will try to talk to you, will try to explain yung nagawa niya, no? This can be any type of relationship, pwedeng romantic, pwedeng sa family. And eventually, maliliwanagan ka. Tungkol sa connection mo dito, you will realize na what's best for your relationship, whether patatawarin mo to, or maaaring may intindihan mo yung sitwasyon kung bakit siya nagkamali sa'yo. And then your final message is Soul Tribe, Chameleon. It is safe to be seen. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will be part of a community, no, ng isang grupo, ng isang yung kumbaga mapapalibutan ka ng mga tao na pareho ng interes mo. So you will be, kumbaga parang you will bring out the best in you. Parang yeah, you will bring out the best in you, or they will bring out the best in you dahil komportable ka nakasama sila, komportable ka sa setting na kinilalagyan mo. So if you are changing your career, your business, or yung workplace mo, some of you mas magiging komportable kayo sa environment ninyo dahil you see support, you see love, you see yung kumbaga andun yung parang pare-pareho kayo ng interes ng mga taong nasa paligid mo. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye.